Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to request account information on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to access your account data or gather some information from your WhatsApp account. So today I'm going to show you how to request account information on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, select Account. Here, you will find various options related to your account settings. Now, to request your account information, simply tap on this Request Account Info option. Here, WhatsApp will provide you with a brief description of what this feature does. WhatsApp will inform you that it will take up to 3 days to generate your account information report. Now, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your request has been sent. WhatsApp will generate a report containing your account information, including profile photo, group names, and settings. After a few days, you will receive a notification from WhatsApp informing you that your account information report is ready and you can now download it. There you go. If you wanted to know how to request account information on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to request account information on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.